Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. I bought this for 275 rupees. The net quantity is 0.35 grams. They have claimed that it doesn't smudge and also waterproof. It lasts for 22 hours. It is suitable for contact lens users also. It is ophthalmologist tested. This Eyeconic Kajal is available in 6 different colors: black, royal blue, regal green, turquoise, classic brown and brown. I have bought black color Kajal. It comes in a black color pencil with a cap. Twist this to use the product. It is very easy to apply. It is so nice and thick finish. It doesn't smudge for more than 15 hours. It can be used on waterline and eyelids. It gives your eyes a bold look. This is one of my favorite products from Lakme. Overall, I like this product. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my video. Please do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.